Hello guys, welcome back to this 293 days update on the Storj and ScPrime experiment. Today I have some news to tell you. The one Storj node that I had on the Raspberry Pi has been moved to the same location and therefore the same IP as the bigger nodes. This is because of some restrictions I had going on with the people I had it hosted with my parents. And they needed to move some stuff, so there were no more space for it. So now it's home at my address. This means there is going to be some less ingress from the Storj department, but overall, it shouldn't be a problem going forward. I can still run all the nodes that I want. So let's look at the earnings for the Raspberry Pi here. I'm just going to log on it. Let's see. All right, so just to refresh it completely.
A really quick disclaimer. The app that you're seeing on the screen right now is the one that I'm using to keep my servers running and to monitor that they are working. It is free, and I'm going to leave a link down in the description. It is really smart. You get a notification if your server goes offline. All right.
All right, so as you can see, we have 0.96 terabyte of used bandwidth this month. I did have some downtime simply because I had to move the physical location of the Raspberry Pi. That is to be expected. But we have actually crossed the 2 terabyte mark of the node. It's kind of slow to scroll down, kind of unresponsive. As you can see, used 2.09 terabytes. So we are actually more used than free now. There's 100 gigabytes in the trash. So let's see at my suspension and audit. So as you can see, I have some downtime simply because I had to move it. It took some time, but the current month earnings are $4.45, which I think it's decent for almost doing nothing, simply just letting it run. So that's pretty good. So let's move on to the bigger node on the main PC. All right, so let's just refresh everything to make sure that it's brand new. And we have $4.55. And then on the smaller node here, on the 14002, we have used 82 gigabytes, not that much. We have 0.8 used, as always. Pretty much the same, a good amount of uptime, and we've made $1.05. So we're gonna add that to the total amount. 1.05, and then the big node, we have used 1.115 terabytes, which is great. And there is 2.3 almost terabytes used, sorry, and 43 in the trash with 7.6 free. So this node is getting filled slowly but surely. Good uptime, and we have made $7.58, which is also pretty decent actually. So if we go ahead and add that 7.58, then let's look at the SCP. So I have almost the same amount of used capacity. It hasn't changed much in the past months, but I did get 113 SCP in incentives, which means that we're going to go ahead and do a calculation. So SCP to USD. Let's just have a look. So 113 is 18.47 US dollars. So let's go ahead and add it. 18.47. So that totals to $31.55. That is the total earnings of this month from running 3 nodes and 1 SCP provider. And I do have the basic license for the SCP. So that is it for today. Actually, from tomorrow, I'm going to be moving my internet to 1 gigabit. So I'm kind of looking forward to see if that will increase my earnings. But thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.